What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I am back, baby, with another video, man. So today I got a good one for y'all. A highly contemplated mod. Some people like it, some people don't, and that's just this little thing right here. So you know what this is. You probably know what it is. That's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the VTA, vented atmosphere intake blow-off valve mod. This should take you about 5 minutes. Only thing you have to do is go find that intake hose, which is, I believe, is on your driver's side somewhere underneath here. I haven't looked down there yet. Basically take out that hose, plug it, and then the air just, instead of going to the intake, vents to atmosphere, VTA, vented atmosphere. So that's when you get the psh noise, right? So let's go ahead, take a look, see how it is. Should be pretty easy. I don't think you need any tools. I got my plug here. I got this plug from Stage 3 Motor Parts for about $24. Now I know, guys, before all you YouTube keyboard warriors go down there in the comment, brrr, yes, you can go buy like end of a chair, the little gray, the little rubber things from the end of a chair, like $2 or $3 from like Home Depot. So I'm gonna plug it that way. I wanted something just a little more, you know, sturdy, I guess, that was meant for it. This is actually pretty hard, you know. So anyway, I wanted some more just sturdy. So you can definitely go get the little $2 or $3 thing. So save your comment. Stop, you right there. Stop. Save your comment. Yeah, all right. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how this thing is. I gotta get down here underneath my back. Let's see if we can find it. I found it pretty easy, actually. So just to give you perspective, this is my driver's side tire. Here's my passenger side tire, the Rough Country emblem, and it's literally right above my lift kit. So it's like, not lift kit, whatever, right there. It's literally right here. So super easy to get into. So just gonna go ahead and I think you just twist this, boom, pull it off. Yep, pulls off like that. Then you take your plug here and then you just plug it. Take it, plug it, whoops, dropped it, and just plug this like that. Whoop, pops in, boom. I don't want to push too hard. How hard is it to get out? Let's see if we can get this out, just in case I don't want it. Okay, come on. Does it twist out? All right, guys, I did figure how to get it out. It acts just like if the hose was still attached to that tube. So you basically have to turn the tube, turn like you was taking it from the hose and pull, and that's how this comes out. So exactly how you disconnect it from the tube, take this out the same way. Some people take the hose off completely. Some people just clog it and then zip tie it up. All right, guys, so let's see what it sounds like from inside the cabin. Ready? Let's see. I hear more turbo noise than anything. I hear it. So it's kind of hard to hear. I hear sometimes I go, psh, let's see. Ah, there it is. You really had to get the RPMs higher. Let's see again. So I had to get about 3 grand. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, so about 3 grand, you really can hear it. Let's put it on the outside, see what it sounds like, and then I'm gonna try to give y'all a drive-by. All right, it sounds pretty loud, it sounds pretty good. Let me do a drive-by now, see what it sounds like. All right, guys, let's hear it with the windows up. I'm gonna rev it pretty high because sometimes you really can hear it. You definitely can hear it when you get up in the RPMs, man, and letting off. But she's about to run somewhere anyway, so I'm gonna let Brielle come out and let her do a drive-by. I think it sounds pretty cool. I don't know if I'll keep it. I mean, it doesn't hurt anything, man, you know. So before y'all get down there, keyboard warriors again, and start typing, doesn't hurt anything. It's a cool sound, you know. I know some of you V8 owners out there are gonna go down in the comments and truck shouldn't sound like that, you know. You gotta have a 4x4 and it better be a Coyote V8 and you better be able to tow with it, because if you ain't towed with it, you don't really have a truck that you're not using for its purpose, you know, something like that. Super easy mod. Comment below if you like it. Again, VTA blow off valve. Cool sound. I might keep it. That's all I got. Catch y'all on the next one. Y'all bless that baby. Peace.
My last shot. We out here every day. Ain't no other way. I'm out here dripping like a mop. I go hard, I never stop. Got Versace on my flops. You see diamonds when I talk. I got bands, that's all I need. I got Louis on my sheets. Work so hard, I never sleep. Too drunk smoking by the beach. Got her naked on a yacht. She get anything she want. She said, please don't break my heart. But I can't never love no thought. I'm too busy chasing guap. I blow bags when I go shop. She can't wait for me to drop. I'm the man, bitch.